Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem with your Facebook Messenger. So if you receive notifications from Facebook Messenger but with no sound, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, you go to the settings. In the settings you need to tap on notifications. Now you just need to find here on Messenger. Just tap on it and now you just need to turn on allow notifications. Just here you need to turn on sounds. So after you turn on sounds, you will receive sound notification. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.